We're gonna make some Colorado chile short rib Volcanes. We're gonna make a super simple marinade. So now I have a comal here that I've been heating over medium-low heat. And you can see these are Colorados, these are Guajillos. It's 2 ounces of these chiles. You want the skin to become toasted. I have some water heating. The chiles that are already toasted, we're gonna throw in there. And now we want the chiles to hydrate. Now we're gonna add 6 cloves of garlic. We want like 3 tablespoons of fresh oregano. Okay, so let's get the blender.
Okay.
These, we can really puree, you know? You wanna fish the garlic out?
Yeah, am I putting that straight in?
Here, yeah.
Okay.
And any of the chiles.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna add the oregano. Okay. And then we're gonna add some salt. We're using a special salt that's called sal parrillera. The sal sol.
Oh, they're way thicker than like normal salt.
Yeah, it's super thick. So I'm adding it here. They call it sal parrillera because it's really good for grilling because it has such big grains that it doesn't dilute as fast or as easily as very fine salt. It has so much taste. I love this salt. We're adding in the marinade, but we're also gonna add some right when we grill the meat. And then a half a cup of the cooking liquid from the chiles. So I think, let's see what it looks like. I love this texture. These are called flanken style ribs. So they're short ribs that are sliced across the ribs. Okay, now let's add the marinade. Like you keep on adding and I'll rub everywhere. That's it. Rinse my hands. I'm gonna add a little oil. We're gonna grill it like 2 to 3 minutes per side. Now, let's add some of that sal parrillera. Let's flip the meat. Ooh. And look at the grill marks. Okay, once we flip it, it's really like 1 to 2 minutes. So let's take these out.
Okay.
Because we want them juicy, right?
Looks so good. Oh my.
So good. I'm gonna reduce the heat. So we're gonna take a tortilla and we're gonna brush it with water para que se le pegue la sal. And then you add it like that. Okay, so now that the tortilla started toasting, we can add the cheese. This is Mennonite cheese from Chihuahua. So now this is the Volcan part. And these are perfect. These are ready. We just need to cut the meat. Okay, so now we like grab a flanken rib, and then I take all the meat. I like to cut it like in small bite-sized pieces. Ooh, this is so perfect. ¿Cuál quieres?
Yo quiero
Dos. Esta.
It looks so good.
Yeah, this is the best. Guacamole. This is heaven, just like this.
I don't see
Gorgeous.
how much you put in the mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this one. Cheers.
Oh my god.
I mean, this is like perfection.